Very often when I see new patients for aesthetic consults, they don't really understand the difference between Botox treatments, which is for lines and wrinkles, and fillers. So here we go. Neuromodulators or Botox treatment is used for treating dynamic lines. Those are the lines that form with movement. And we think about the lines around the eyes when we smile, when we lift our eyebrows, the forehead lines, or when we look angry, the glabellar frown. Softening these muscles leads to a fresher, more rested look. Filler, on the other hand, we should think of almost as polyfiller for your face. And these are used to create structure, replenish a bit of volume, and decrease the appearance of deep folds that are there when the face is in rest. Using these two products together gives us an overall more youthful, rested, and more beautified appearance.